Hello everybody, hope you're all doing well. Firstly, I want to just start off by thanking God and for His grace. Without His grace, I would not be here at this point in my life. So firstly with that, thanks to God. Then secondly, I want to start with our management team, Rich and Tuli. You guys are amazing, always backing, supporting us. Thanks for the guidance as well and for the opportunity to attend an awesome course like this. Really appreciate it. Rich, a special thanks to you for asking us the difficult questions, for challenging us, pushing us out of our comfort zones. You're pushing us to do better, to grow. And it's not always easy, but we man up and we take it. So thanks for that, Rich. Then Daniela, thank you for the awesome lessons you've taught us here. I really appreciate your time and your effort and your passion for learning and leadership. It's really inspiring. So that really motivates me to want to do more and change my lifestyle. Thank you for that. I want to thank Annalise as well for the personality compass. So really learned a lot about myself. I have strengths that I can leverage on. I have weaknesses that I can improve on. Nice to know where I'm sitting and what I need to do to fix it. So thanks for that. I want to thank Brian for teasing us about FTB and also the AAK, the Attitude Adjustment Club. Yeah. So thanks for that, Brian. Then I would like to thank everyone who attended this course. Different diversities, different inputs, suggestions, ideas, all makes us want to change and grow and develop. So thanks to everyone who attended. And then I'd just like to end off with a quote from Jack Welch that says, "Before you are a leader, success is about growing yourself. When you become a leader, success is about growing others." Thank you.